Okay, here's a tour of this 1990 1.6 turbo diesel Westfalia hard bubble top camper. I'll try to show everything that's in here the best way possible, so bear with me on this. So the kitchen is standard Westfalia. In that cabinet, there is a battery, and that battery powers the Aftermaket air conditioner. So that's actually a little air conditioner, so it makes it great for four-season campings. It works fantastic, and it really cools down the van in a second. They also have a little window which you can open up to be only a screen, which has a screen over it, so you avoid the bugs. For those of you that, I mean, I guess everybody's probably familiar with this, but for those of you that aren't, this top area has another board that goes here, which is in the back, and it will sleep up to 4 people. Well, 2 here and 2 down here. In terms of space, I'm standing up fully. I'm 6'1". I have a little bit of room to go, so it's quite comfortable. In comparison to a regular Westfalia horizontal pop top, there's less room up here in the front, but there's more room in the back. So, you know, it's a trade-off, I guess, whatever you want. And this is made of fiber, so it's actually a lot harder. It's insulated a little bit with some kind of material, so that's kind of nice. I'm sure that keeps the heat in the winter. You've got some compartments here for storage, a little bit more also here. So if you don't know, the back seat folds out, and then that becomes the second bed, so that can also in theory fit 2 people if you're not too big. This model comes with an Eberspacher heater, so it's actually made for the colder climate as well. That works pretty well too, so the van heats up pretty quickly. I was testing it out the other day. It works out pretty well. They've added some additional 12-volt USB plugs here, and also lighter plugs, so if you wanted to have extra power. The kitchen, well, the stove here and sink is quite good condition. As you can see, got a little bit of light use. And the on this model, it has the exterior gas tank, which is underneath the van on the driver's side down there, as is the connector for the water tank. So all that will go inside there. So that's pretty much the inside. I hope you can kind of see it. It's much more spacious than it looks, but these vans are really designed well to maximize the space and be able to kind of get everywhere. The chairs are both captain's chairs, so they'll both kind of turn around, and that way you can have kind of this is our table. You just basically you unlock it here and it folds out. Let me do that so you can kind of see it, because it's very versatile. I've been sitting here having my coffee in the back. So as you can see, it comes out, and you can kind of set it however you want. If you want to just have a couple people eating here, you could do that. You can put it here up against the kitchen in the middle, so it's got a lot of versatility. Other than that, the windows are tinted, so it's a little bit darker in here, which probably helps with the sunlight. And it's got a full set of these curtains, which are actually, they're not blackout curtains, but they're actually pretty good. So they do block out a lot of the light and give you a good amount of privacy. They go throughout all the windows except for the driver's window, which doesn't have a curtain. Neither does the front windshield, as they never do. So that you got to find a solution to keep the peering eyes out, or the light, whatever is your preference. So hopefully this kind of demonstrates or shows what you can do in here and how this looks inside. Oh, may as well look at these. These are just storage compartments. So clearly chess or checkers is played here. Here we just have nothing. That's all the tubing that goes to the water supply system. And here you got another really big compartment. And that one also in the back has another big compartment back there. So you maximize storage the same as you can do up here. So lots of little storage spots that you can kind of use. And there we go. That's it. Well, if you can go, you want to see the drawers, you want to see it in here as well. So refrigerator, so you can see it there. This is a drawer which has, usually cutlery and stuff. And as I mentioned before, the battery that's down there that powers the AC system. All right, thank you for watching.